Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is just doing my makeup. We're gonna chit chat a little bit. I did have a aha moment in this video. I forgot to turn the mic on in the beginning, so bear with me. The audio does get better. I'm not sure how long I had the mic off, but yeah, so I promise the audio will get better. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we just chatted in this video. We talked about cycle bar, we talked about me, we talked about birth charts, we talked about so many different things. I can't even remember everything. I talked literally the entire time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's just do it. Okay, so here we are. I obviously don't look like I did in the intro because I just got out of the shower, but I'm going to go ahead and just start doing my makeup. I do have somewhere to be, so hopefully, you know, I don't take 10 years to do my makeup because I don't have time for all that. But I haven't sat down and filmed. Like, the last time I filmed was my Galentine's Day look. Hello? What? So I figure we'll just knock two birds out, get two birds stoned at once, if you will. So I'm about to go out with some people. We're gonna get some crawfish, enjoy life. It's gonna be great. So I'm going to do the look that I always do when I go out, which is what I've already filmed. Y'all have seen that. I'm also using the James Charles palette. I'm not really going to talk about it because I need to move. So yeah, just figured I'd film and chit chat with you guys. What's everyone been up to? Because y'all are sitting, you know, right here and I can totally have a conversation with you. I just got back and showered from Cycle Bar. And oh my gosh, y'all, I don't know why I ever, like today, this chair. I don't know why I ever questioned going, because today I was just not feeling it. I did not want to go today. I was freezing cold in my house and I just wanted to lay down and do nothing. But I was like, no, I'm gonna go. So I went, and it's the coolest thing. It is the coolest experience to go. And anybody who says otherwise is wrong. Like, it is so much fun. And I always end up doing so much better every class. I mean, obviously you're gonna do better every time you go. But like from my first class to now, it's insane how different I perform. Like, yeah, I'm still not the best at it, but like I was starting off burning like 200 calories a class, and now I'm up to 400 to 500 calories a class. Like, that's insane. Like, I'm working so much harder. I'm doing so much more in class. My PowerPoints get higher and higher and higher every single time. And it's just, I love that for me. Like, I'm doing, whoa, that shade had a lot of kickback. Holy moly. I have so many things that I want to talk to you guys about, but I'm like, I gotta make sure that I don't get distracted from actually doing my makeup because I'm kind of on a time crunch to get ready. I kind of want to update y'all on like how I'm doing, you know, with my whole situation. Working out and Cycle Bar has helped so much. And I have been keeping incredibly busy. Like, I went from coming home from work, sitting on the couch and doing nothing every day, to getting off work, going straight to work out. And just by the time I get home, and sometimes after I work out, I'll go, you know, hang out with some friends. And by the time I get home, it's time for bed. Like, it's crazy. And then on the weekends, I work 7 days a week. So on the weekends, I'm still working, and it's so good. Like, I'm so happy that my mind is elsewhere. Even now, Nicholas. I was just making sure that y'all had crawfish tonight. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, no. I lied. I remember beach. So I'm just kind of to a point where right now I'm very happy with where I am and how I'm doing. I mean, we still chit chat. Like, we don't talk every day like we did before. If we do talk, it's because there's like a purpose to the conversation, not like we're not talking just to talk. So honestly, I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. I don't even know if I'm going to put it in the video because I'm just doing me, you know? And I'm really enjoying, I don't want to say I'm really enjoying being single because obviously if it were my way, but I'm enjoying getting to know myself and figuring out what I like and what makes me happy. You know what I mean? So it's very, what's the word? I don't want to say therapeutic because this shit's hard. Comforting myself and calming myself down from like situations and stuff like that is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I really didn't think that I would ever be able to find things that calm me down when I start to get super anxious. And as annoying as it sounds, actually, I don't know if this is going to be annoying or not, but like the things that I have found that calm me down other than like going to work out or something like that is like window shopping online. Like just getting on a website and shopping is so incredibly helpful. Like no matter what it is, like it could be Ulta, it could be Amazon, it could be just looking for apartments. Like there's so many things that I could shop for that help me so, like it's insane. It's so crazy. And like I'm not even buying anything. I'm just looking because it takes my mind off of the annoying thoughts that I do get. You know what I mean? Ow, that had my hair in it. Oh my God, that hurt so bad. Oh my gosh. That's kind of where I'm at with that. I'm also sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. Like I said, I've been keeping myself so busy that the only times that I give myself to film are before work on the weekends. And to be honest, while that is a great idea, by the time I wake up, like, and the alarm goes off for me to wake up and film before I have to work a double, I'm just like, I don't want to do it. Like I have no desire. So apologies for that. I need to take more time off of work. I don't know why I insist on working so much, but like when I'm not working and like if I don't have plans, I wish that I was working. But then, you know, nights that I don't, or I don't remember what I was saying. Basically, like if I have nothing to do, I'm just like, why aren't I working? Like I could be working. You know what I mean? So I just work. And tonight, you know, I have plans, which is great and all, but so I've been self-tanning, which is why I kind of mixed these two foundations. I'm so excited to go get crawfish. Oh my gosh, it's insane. I've had so much crawfish this season and I am not mad about it. It is so good. Me and my family, we went to, oh my gosh. We went to Willie's and oh my God, they had some bangin' crawfish. They were huge. They were tasty, like, ooh. And I'm kind of bummed because I was doing super well up until March. I haven't gained any weight back, but I've just maintained like where I started in March. So I'm a little bummed. All I've been doing is cardio. Like that's all I've been doing. Okay, so I do want to talk about this. I did get the new Milani concealer and I got them in 2 shades because I wanted one for when I'm a little tanner and I wanted one for when I'm not as tan. So I'm going to try this. I did use this to prime my eyes with, so we shall see. I really like this applicator. I also have the new e.l.f. camo concealer that I'm going to try eventually. I'll probably try that tomorrow when I do my makeup. I just have so much. Like I've got all these concealers. Ooh, this burns. When I swatched this on my hand, it burned my hand too. So I guess we'll see if this like breaks me out or something. But a lot of friends of mine have told me that I just need to do something different with my workout because all I do is cardio. So I'm going to start. I have everything at my house just for like little toning exercises. Like I have a ball, I have resistance bands, I have little dumbbells, and I have a kettlebell. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like I've got everything I really need just for what I personally want to do. And that's not a lot. Like I'm not trying to be crazy lifting yet. Like at least right now, I just don't think it's very necessary because I'm just trying to lose fat right now. Like I'm trying to tone at the same time, but whatever. So I tried doing the whole don't set your face thing. That shit does not work for me. My face, especially now that it's getting warmer outside, my face gets so oily so freaking quick. I have to powder the shit out of my nose like extra. I don't know why I got this big of a smoothie. I never like I'm going to have crawfish after this. Why did I get such a big one? So dumb. Oh my god, I did not hit record on the mic. I hate my life so much. So up until this point, we have not had a mic. I am so mad at myself. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay, well, moving on. I keep going back to this bronzer. This is the Essence Sun Club matte bronzing powder. I don't know. There's just something about this bronzer that I really like. So if anybody follows Kathleen Lights, which I'm sure a lot of you do, you know how she's like super into astrology? Well, she's making me be super into astrology. Like I've been into it before, but like now that's all I want to do is like learn about astrology. So I'm a Leo, and I think that I'm like super Leo. Like when I read anything about Leos, I'm like, yep, that's me. Like we're attention seekers, we're dramatic, we care way too much, and it's hard for us to let go of people, but like once we have let go, like it's done. Like that is literally me. It's insane. And then I really wanted to find out what my moon sign and my rising rising thing was. So I found out that my moon sign is an Aries and my rising is a Scorpio. And when I read, I'm not going to read the description because I don't have enough time. I really wanted to, but basically it was just like it was describing me in every possible. Leia's trying to get in the room. Stop it. Man, I should have just taken a screenshot of it so y'all could see. Stupid. Why did I not do that? It's good shit. Hopefully I can get into it in another... Leia, stop! Hopefully I can get into it in another video because I really want to talk about it because I think it's just so fascinating. Okay. I'm trying not to be too crazy with my makeup today. I mean, obviously this still is, you know, fucking makeup. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna do crazy lips, but I am gonna apply a little bit of this gloss bomb right now just to hydrate my lips a little bit. But since we're eating crawfish, like, no ma'am. I might put on a little bit of lipstick just to give my lips some color, but... Ooh, I look crazy without eyebrows. What am I doing? Hello? Ever since I dyed my hair darker, I keep going, like when I go to do my eyebrows, I forget that I need to do something just a little bit darker than what I was doing because I did my eyebrows, like when I first dyed my hair darker, I did it the shade that I was using, and oh my god, it looked so funky. Oh, I know what I want to talk to you guys about. So, obviously I love makeup. Hello. However, I've got all these ideas for videos that aren't necessarily makeup related, and I don't know, I really want to do them, and I know this channel has kind of been mainly beauty videos, but I'm wondering if y'all would be interested or like okay with, you know, just some different content. I'm gonna do vlogs. I'm actually in the process of filming stuff for a vlog. I just kind of want to know what y'all think. Like if y'all want to see anything in particular as far as like lifestyle videos go. Because I've got some really fun ideas with my friend Myra that we're actually filming on Sunday that I'm so excited for. I've still got some beauty videos planned. I don't know, I've kind of just been wanting to like do some different stuff and just have a little bit more fun with my videos. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, I know there's not a lot of you here, but for the ones that watch, like, I don't want to upload something and like put work into something and y'all are like, nah, this isn't really my vibe. So, I mean, just let me know. Ooh, I need to do my lower lash line. Duh. I'm debating on if I want to do falsies because I'm probably going to wear my glasses because I'm a huge fan of, like, being able to see. Ah. Whoa. Okay, so that is the first coat. I'm going to put on a lip real quick and then do another coat on my top lashes and be right back. Okay, so that is the completed look. I did just have my glasses on, but all you see is lights. Unless I'm like... That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to sit down, do my makeup, kind of catch up with y'all because I've kind of been MIA for like 2 weeks. Sorry. I'm going to try and have videos flowing. I know I say that every single freaking time I upload a video, but I mean, it is what it is. This is just for fun for me. So if this was a job and it was paying me, maybe I would try a little harder, but this is just for fun. Again, so sorry about the audio in the beginning. I suck. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.